Here's a before shot of my client's locks. He's been freeforming for about a year and would like to go a little larger. I've already washed his hair, so now I'm just going through and planning where the sections are going to be. Here I'm following the natural parting of most of the locks that have already been formed. I'm just finding clean parts where I can clearly section off the hair that are his ideal size. I've sped up the video here so you can watch me work quickly, but I wanted to explain that I'm being very gentle with pulling apart my client's sections. What I do is I'll start from the base of his scalp and work my way upward instead of just separating everything downward. Most time to create the sections and clean them up, I just use a comb or my fingers to separate the hair. Whenever I do start separating from the top, it's usually just to find where the locks are connected. Once I establish where they've been connected, then I can go right back from the bottom and continue to separate in an upward motion. By doing this, you'll avoid a lot of pain for your tender-headed clients. I found one here that's about double the size of what he wanted, so I will be splitting that down the middle. Now that the locks have all been separated, they're all ready to combine. Here I have my 2-prong crochet hook, which I'll post in the description below. And as you can see, I'm just feeding it in and out of the lock, rotating the lock as I go. I'll be doing this for every section until the whole head is complete. My client did not want his locks to lay flat to his head, so I just used the crochet method for the whole process. No palm rolling or interlocking. Here's the final look after his locks have all been combined.